Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to make 3D model of spring. Okay, so we are working in Inventor. Just create new part. You can press Ctrl N, otherwise you can go to new file and you can click on new. From here you can select standard part, then click yes. If you click yes, visible on screen, so XY plane, YZ and XZ. So I will be using XY plane. Take line command, create one vertical and horizontal line, give dimension. The vertical line will be the total length of the spring, so I want 25 mm with 1 mm coil dia, wire dia 1 mm. So here I will select 24. I will tell why I selected 24. Total length of the spring I want 25 mm. And then diameter of the spring 12 mm. 12 mm means I will select this one also 1 mm less, 11 mm. Then select these two lines and click on this center line command. Take circle, give diameter 1. This is the wire dia of spring. This will be 5.5. Then you can click on finish sketch, or you can go directly 3D model and select coil tool. Here click on profile, or profile already selected, so this diameter we need to select. Then we will select axis of the spring, so it's moving downwards, so we need to change the direction of the spring. So by clicking here you can change the directions. Then go to coil size. So here 4 options we have: pitch and revolution, revolution and height, pitch and height, and spiral. So you can select any one of these. I will be selecting pitch and height. So pitch of 2 coils and total height of the spring. So here I will select pitch 6 mm. So it is as per your requirement. Sorry, pitch 6 mm and total length is 24 mm. Click OK. The spring is ready now. So we need to give one more revolution circle here. So what we will do, we will go and click one side face of the coil. Here we will do create sketch. Then go to project geometry. On project geometry, which profile we need to duplicate, we should click on that profile, project geometry. Now we need to give one central line for this diameter. So here we can activate center line, y axis. So right click on it and go to visibility, activate. So here it is activated. Then you can finish sketch, or directly you can go to 3D model and revolve. Select revolve command. Profile it is already selected. Then select axis, which one you activated the center line, click on that. So it will revolve with respect to that center line. So one side it is completed. So that now you have to do for another side. So same procedure you should follow. Click on the surface, new sketch, project geometry, click on the face of the coil, then go to 3D model, revolve. Already center axis it is activated, so click on axis, click on it. See, it is completed now. You can change the color appearance. I'll select red, light red. So now spring is ready, guys. Now I will do detailing for the same 3D model. Rotate it. First we'll give top view. So here you can go to scale. You can change the scale by clicking on down arrow or up arrow. So I'll keep it for better visibility 5:1 for this time. So I'll click OK on it. I want front view. So I'll right click on the object, then I'll select project view, create. So now I will give dimension on the spring. See guys, the diameter is 12, inner diameter is 10, the total length is 25 mm. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.